head. Blue, white, little bit of red. Live free like we always said. Oh, whoa. California born and raised. Work hard, gonna make a name. Getting closer every day. Oh, whoa.
Belt something, Christina.
What?
Belt something.
Okay, one. You know you're so confusing. I should have already said goodbye. But just when I'm about to lose it, you turn this around and do it to me one more time.
Keep going.
What's my other belting one?
Just belt some notes. No!
I don't think I do very much belting in this. Oh, I do. Don't think about it. If I had a forget, and then I do get real with me. I'm not wasting my energy. I'm not your puppet on a string. Yeah.
Keep going.
I'll forget. And he smiles when he's looking at me.